Listen, y'all got to come on back to school. I got to open some doors. I miss y'all. I need to be opening some doors in the morning. I'll see y'all when you get back.
Hey guys, me and Mr. Joe sure do miss you. Stay safe. We love you. See you soon.
Hey kindergartners. Hope everybody's doing well. I just want to tell you that we miss you and we hope to see you soon. Keep working on those packets and keep working on the computer, and we love you all very much. See you later.
Hey Wildcat family, this is Miss Holbert and McKinley, and we just wanted to say that we love you and we miss you, and we just want to tell you to keep working hard on those packets and keep working on our ready, and do your best. And again, we love you and hope to see you soon. Bye! Bye!
Hey Wildcats, this is Mrs. Yao and Melena. We wanted to come to you and tell you how much we miss you all. I miss my friends and my teachers. And we just want to tell you that we love you, we miss you, we hope you're doing good at home, and we can't wait to see you soon.
Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Dennis. I just want you to know I miss you so much. I hope you're working hard, and I really hope to see you soon. I love you.
Hey guys, love you, miss you, hope to see you soon. Stay safe, stay well. Be good, Miss Garcia loves you. Bye.
Hello, Millingport parents and students. This is Miss Crisco, and I am missing y'all so bad that I'm having to get out and exercise and walk during my lunch hour. And if you know me well, I do not exercise, but I'm really missing seeing your faces and your smiles, and I can't wait to see you soon. And if you need me or you need to talk to me, you got information that was sent home with my email, so you can email me and I would love to email you back. So again, I'm missing y'all and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hey everyone!
I miss you.
I miss you.
Love you.
Love you.
Hello to all my second grade babies. I miss you so much. I miss seeing all of your faces and your smiles and hearing my name called. I miss everything. I can't wait to see you again. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hey, third grade. Love you and miss you. Can't wait to see you. Stay well. Bye.
Hey guys, I sure do miss you.
I hope you're getting lots of reading done. That stamina by the time we get back to school should be about 2 hours. Just kidding. But I can't wait to see you. I hope to see you very
Soon and
keep on reading and doing some math, and you will be back in school soon.
Hello, Millingport kiddos, especially the Hyatt herd. Just wanted to tell you, I miss you terribly. If you can tell, it's raining and it's just like my tears from missing you. I hope we're together soon. Take care. Love you.
Hey everybody, I just wanted to say that I miss you guys. I hope everybody is staying well and getting lots of exercise, eating healthy, getting lots of rest, and I hope everybody is practicing really good hand washing to stay well. So take care of yourself, and I hope that you'll get outside today and enjoy some sunshine. Miss you guys.
Hey Millingport, this is Miss Turner. I just stopped by to say how much I love every one of you and how much I miss seeing you every day. Be safe and wash your hands. You are loved.
Hi, my fourth graders. I really miss you guys.
Hey guys, I just want to let you know that I miss you. Please check your Google Classroom, get outside and enjoy the beautiful weather when you can. Bye!
Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to say that I miss you, and I hope you're keeping up with your schoolwork. If you need me, I'm here, sitting by my bar in my kitchen.
inside my house. So if you need me, please let me know. I hope to see you soon, and yeah, just love and miss you.
Hey, Millingport Elementary Wildcats, we sure do miss you. I hope you're staying safe. See you soon.